Heavy rains caused flooding in the Algarve region of Portugal over the weekend, prompting the closure of several roads and schools. However, there were no reports of deaths or injuries. The worst affected areas were the towns of Albufeira and Loulé, where floodwaters swept through streets and homes. Emergency services were called in to assist with evacuations and to provide support to affected residents. The heavy rainfall caused significant damage to infrastructure, including roads and bridges, and disrupted transportation throughout the region. Local authorities have warned residents to remain cautious and to avoid driving through flooded areas. The flooding is believed to be a result of a low-pressure system that moved across Portugal over the weekend, bringing heavy rains to many parts of the country. The Portuguese Institute of the Sea and Atmosphere has warned that more heavy rains and thunderstorms are likely to hit the country in the coming days, particularly in the central and southern regions. Residents are advised to remain vigilant and to take precautions to protect their homes and property.